Hey everyone. So, because I'm kind of anxious to get started on the Royal Ranger series, I'm just going to show you. I'm not going to do this one. I'm just going to show you. And I forgot I was going to use this. This is a like an eye base. This is an on-the-go palette. It's their Peach on-the-go palette. They have a BYS has made a couple of these. So it's got like 6 colors, like 3 pinky and then 3 warm. Obviously I gravitate to the pink because last time it looks so similar to the one I did before. This is their highlighter, and like I said, that's their base or primer or whatever. And I was gonna use the primer and the highlighter, and I forgot to do the primer, so I'm just showing it to you, putting that away. And like I said before, this is their Peach 2 palette, and the reason why they made a second one is because in their Peach 1, their first Peach palette, they only made like 2 or 3 matte colors, whereas so what they did here is they put 6 matte colors. So of course I automatically gravitated to the pink one, so I don't make 3 similar looks. I'm going to use the orange. I'm going to use these 2 right here, this one and that one today. So I put the orange concealer color from NYX on my lids, and then I forgot to use the other primer or base or whatever color that they put in there. So I'm gonna go into that orange frosty color right here. Let me go into that matte orange right here. Okay. Wasn't sure how that was gonna come out. And then I'll just use this matte color right here. So I'm just gonna put regular black mascara and liner and finish my makeup, and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. I used this entire row here of blushes, highlighters, and bronzer, and I used Peach Tea for my lipstick. It's their darkest peach lipstick, and it's very lightly scented like peach. It's not like a really strong peach smell. And yeah, that's what I used.